napakaganda po nung topic. I think this is the perfect opportunity para i-take yung course o yung workshop kasi dito mo ma-unlock yung mga possibilities na makakapag-boost sa practice or correction sa management ng clinical difficulties po natin. Hindi masasayang yung oras nyo.
I've learned a lot from the topic kung saan yung mga weaknesses mo, kaya mong i-challenge yourself mo na makonquer mo yung lahat ng fears mo. They also teach us how to manage well our websites, how we properly post in our social media. And then as a dental profession, as a dentist, it's our time to learn, to have growth in our practices also.
What I've learned with the whole workshop and the whole seminar is how to make my business grow and grow and grow. Syempre, we would not want to stop on a certain point. We wanted to grow pa. So this seminar helped me to give knowledge, how to manage, how, let's be honest, we want a more profit. So this seminar helped businesses or like my business, dental clinic owner. This will help you to properly manage your business. At the same time, gives you the benefit to be profitable for the long term.